Figure given below, ABCD is a rectangle and CDE is an equilateral triangle. Find angle BDE. And brilliant. In these questions, I'm going to mark whatever I know. I'm going to take that approach. I want to find angles. This is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. Then equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal. So this angle is 60. This angle is 60. This angle is 60. This is 67. So we want to find angle BDE. We already know angle CDE is 60. This is what we need to find. We know angle CDE is 60. So if we find angle CDB, we are through. We know this is 60. If we find this, we are through. How do we find that? Take triangle CDB. CDB. This is 67 degrees. This is 90 degrees. We can find this. Sum of these three angles is 180. This is 90. So these two, 67 plus x should be 90. Total is 180. This 90 goes away. The other two should add up to 90. The total is 180. This is 90. The other two should add up to 90. Or x is 90 minus 67, which is 23 degrees. This angle is 23. We know that angle BDC is 23. Angle CDE is 60. So angle BDE, the whole angle is 23 plus 60, 83 degrees.